Hi student, who discuss about types of immunity, different types of immunity present in the body of individual, present in the organism's body. To fight against the different types of the microorganisms which causes diseases. Okay, types of immunity based on nature of a response, based on the nature of the response against the pathogens, microorganisms. Based on the nature of the response, this is the immunity is two types. Two types of the immunity is present. Student, one is innate immunity. In this, first one is innate immunity. Second one is acquired immunity. First one is innate immunity. Second one is acquired immunity. Student, what about innate immunity? Innate immunity. Innate immunity present at a time of birth. It is the immunity provided by the body of individual at the time of the birth, student. Next, inborn resistance to diseases. Inborn resistance to diseases. Okay, and resistance against the diseases, to the diseases provides by birth of the individual, and it is non-specific. It is non-specific. Non-specific, that means it prevents the entry of all types of the organisms. It gives protection to against the all types of microorganisms, student. Non-specific. It is innate immunity is non-specific. It is important. Non-specific. Next, possessed by all living organisms. It is the innate immunity is shows by all types of the living organisms and do not depend on earlier contact with pathogens. Student, it is the immunity does not depend on the earlier contact. Okay, earlier contact of different types of the pathogens, microorganisms like that. And innate immunity, it is provides by four types of the barriers. Four types of the barriers that provides the innate immunity in the body. Student, which are the four types of the barriers? First one is physical barriers. Second one is physiological barrier. Third one is cellular barrier. And fourth one is cytokine barriers. This first one, physical barriers. What about the physical barriers? Physical barriers includes with skin, mucous membrane. Question: skin, mucous membrane act as a physical barrier between the body and the environment. Okay, and inhibits the entry of the microorganisms, pathogens into the body of individual. Okay, skin. What about the skin? Skin, outer layer of the skin. It is also called epidermis. That is stratum corneum, epidermis. Skin that covers the entire body of organism, individual, that prevents entry of different types of the microbes. Next, and the student, mucous membrane. What about the mucous membrane? Mucous membrane, the cells, the layer that secretes mucus. Mucus secretes by mucous membrane, and this is the mucous membrane traps the pathogens, traps the microorganisms, enters into the body. Okay, and propelled to outside through the cilia. Okay, student. Cilia, these are just small air-like structures present in the inner surface of some regions of the respiratory tract, reproductive tract. Okay, student. it is about the mucous membrane, student, secretes mucus. And second one, physiological barriers. What about the physiological barriers? Physiological barriers, these are the secretions of the body which are acting as a physiological barrier, student. HCl and lysozyme. HCl, hydrochloric acid, lysozyme, act as physiological barriers. Okay, hydrochloric acid secretes by parietal cells or the oxytic cells of the gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach. Since the hydrochloric acid destroy all types of the microorganisms enter through the digestive food particles. Okay, and lysozyme, student, lysozyme present in the saliva. Saliva is secretes from salivary glands. Three pairs of the salivary glands present in the human beings. Saliva is also with lysozyme enzyme. Next, tears secretes from lacrimal glands. That also consists lysozyme enzyme. And sweat is also with lysozyme. Okay. Contains saliva, tears, sweat contains lysozyme. Helps in destruction of the cell wall of the bacteria. This is the lysozyme kills the bacteria by the destruction of its cell wall. Okay, lysozyme. Next, cellular barriers. What about the cellular barriers? Blood cells like polymorphonuclear phagocytes that are neutrophils, also called microscopic policemen. The nucleus divides into 2 to 5 lobes in the neutrophils, student. Okay, shows effective phagocytosis on the microbes. Monocytes. Okay, these are one type of the white blood cells. Okay, and these are changes into phagocytes. And natural killer cells, also called large granular lymphocytes, kills the infected cells. Macrophages in the tissues, various types of the tissues that consist of macrophages. These are all types of the cells: neutrophils, monocytes, NK cells, macrophages destroy microorganisms, students, in the body. These are acting as cellular barriers. Okay. Next, cytokine barriers. What about cytokine barriers? Cytokines are simple molecules. Okay, these are soluble mediators in the immunity. Okay, cytokine barriers are secreted by T helper cells and infected cells in the body. Infected cells, T helper cells secretes cytokines. Okay, these are smaller protein molecules. Cytokines secretes from infected cells infected with virus. Okay, in the body, which are the cells is with virus infected cells in the body secrete cytokines called interferons. Interferons protects the body, protects the non-infected cells, from the virus infection, protects the neighboring cells from the virus infection. Okay, these are cytokine barriers. Okay, interferons are the one type of the cytokines. Cytokine barriers. Okay. Which are the physical barriers? Skin, mucous membrane are physical barriers. And which are the physiological barriers? Hydrochloric acid, lysozyme act as physiological barriers. Cellular barriers, neutrophils, monocytes, NK cells, macrophages are cellular barriers. Cytokine barriers, cytokines produces from T helper cells and infected cells in the body. Interleukins, interferons are two types of the cytokines. These are act as cytokine barriers. Okay, student. This is total the immunity provided by the individual with the help of the four types of the barriers, that is called innate immunity. Innate immunity, student.